Hey there, Henry here from Freedom Formula. I'm so glad you're joining me for today's video. Because today we're speaking about something that has the power to transform your life forever. The power of positive thinking. Are you tired of feeling stuck and unhappy? It might be time to try a different approach. By shifting your mindset and focusing on the positive, you can start living a happier and more fulfilling life. In this video, we're speaking about the benefits of positive thinking and how you can cultivate a positive mindset. Benefit 1. Positive thinking can improve your mental and physical health. It's no secret that our thoughts and emotions can have a big impact on our overall health and well-being. When we're constantly dwelling on negative thoughts and feelings, it can take a toll on our bodies and minds. But when we shift our focus to the positive, it can have a number of benefits for our health. For example, research has shown that positive thinking can reduce stress and anxiety, lower blood pressure, and even boost the immune system. It can also improve our mental health by reducing the risk of depression and increase our overall sense of well-being. Benefit 2. Positive thinking can increase your productivity. When you're feeling positive, you're more likely to be motivated and engaged in your work. This can lead to higher levels of productivity and overall success. On the other hand, when you're feeling negative and down, it can be hard to get anything done. By cultivating a positive mindset, you can tap into your natural motivation and focus on what you're doing. This can help you get more done in less time and feel more fulfilled and satisfied with your work. Benefit 3. Positive thinking can help you live longer. Yes, you heard that right. Positive thinking can actually help you live longer. Studies have shown that people with a positive outlook on life tend to live longer and experience better health outcomes. So, how does this work? It's thought that positive thinking can improve our physical health by reducing stress and increasing our immune function. It can also improve our social connections, which is important for our overall well-being. So, how can you cultivate a positive mindset? Now that we've talked about the benefits of positive thinking, let's talk about how you can cultivate a positive mindset in your life. It's not about pretending everything is perfect. It's about finding the good in every situation and focusing on solutions rather than problems. Here are a few tips to get you started. Tip 1. Practice gratitude. One of the best ways to cultivate a positive mindset is to practice gratitude. This means taking time each day to reflect on the things you're thankful for. It can be something as small as a beautiful sunrise or as big as a new job. By focusing on the things we're grateful for, we can shift our attention away from negative thoughts and feelings. Plus, it's a great way to start the day off on a positive note. Tip 2. Surround yourself with positive influences. The people we're spending our time with can have a big impact on our attitude and mindset. That's why it's important to surround yourself with positive influences. People, books, and some media that is uplifting and inspiring to you. By exposing yourself to positive messages and role models, you can start to shift your own thinking and focus on the good things in life. Tip 3. Take care of yourself. It's hard to stay positive when you're feeling stressed, burnt out, or physically unhealthy. That's why it's important to take care of yourself, both physically and emotionally. This can help you maintain a positive mindset and cope with challenges more effectively. Here are a few tips for taking care of yourself. Get enough sleep. Lack of sleep can affect our mood and make it harder to think positively. Aim for 7 to 9 hours sleep each night to help you feel your best. Eat a healthy diet. A healthy diet can provide the nutrients your body and brain needs to function at their best. Make sure you eat plenty of vegetables and meat and limit processed and sugary foods. Exercise regularly. Exercise is not only good for your physical health, but it can also boost your mood and help you feel more positive. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate to intensive exercise each day. Take breaks and relax. It's important to take breaks and relax to prevent burnout and maintain a positive mindset. Try activities like meditation, yoga, or reading to help you relax and recharge. By taking care of yourself, you can maintain a positive mindset and be better equipped to handle challenges and setbacks. Remember, it's okay to take breaks and prioritize your well-being. It's a sign of strength, not weakness. Tip 4. Find the good in every situation. It's not always easy to find the good in tough situations, but it's an important part of cultivating a positive mindset. Instead of dwelling on the negative aspect of a situation, try to find the silver lining or the lesson you can learn from it. For example, if you're faced with a challenging project at work, instead of getting frustrated and overwhelmed, try to see it as an opportunity to learn and grow. Or, if you're going through a tough time in a relationship, try to focus on the positive aspect of that person and the things you appreciate about them. Tip 5. Focus on solutions instead of problems. It's easy to get stuck in a negative mindset when we're constantly dwelling on problems and challenges. But by shifting our focus to solutions, we can start to see things in a more positive light. For example, instead of getting frustrated with a difficult coworker, try to think about ways you can work together more effectively. Or if you're facing financial challenges, try to brainstorm ways you can save money or increase your income. By cultivating a positive mindset and focusing on the good in every situation, you can start living a happier and more fulfilled life. It can take practice and effort, but the benefits are well worth it. So the next time you're feeling down or stuck, try implementing these tips and see how it impacts your life. Remember, it's not about pretending that everything is perfect. It's about finding the good and focusing on solutions instead of the problems. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more content on personal development and achieving success. On the top left, you'll see a video I think you might like. Make sure you check it out. Underneath that, you'll see a video YouTube thinks you might enjoy. And on the right, there is an image of my head. If you click on it, you can subscribe to my channel and join the Freedom Formula community. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.